Okay, let's just state the obvious. The world of work is changing, and fast. Like, really fast. And you know what? Just knowing stuff isn't going to cut it anymore. What we really need are skills. Skills built for tomorrow that we can actually start learning, like right now.
So that brings up a really important question, right? With everything moving at lightning speed, think about it. Is the way you're learning right now actually getting you ready for what's just around the corner?
And when you start thinking about that, you pretty quickly run into a huge problem with a lot of traditional education. And that's this massive gap between the theory we all learn in classrooms and the practical skills we actually need to do the job.
I mean, this just hits the nail on the head. Theory alone just doesn't cut it anymore. It's a reality check a lot of people are facing. The game has totally changed. It's not about what you know anymore. It's about what you can do.
Okay, so let's break this down. It's like two different worlds. On one side, you've got the old school way. Textbooks, lectures, memorizing facts. I mean, it gives you a foundation, sure, but it's pretty passive, right? And then on the other side, you've got the hands-on stuff. Actually building things, creating, solving real-world problems. That's where everything is headed.
But hold on, this shift isn't just happening on its own. There's a massive game changer in the mix, artificial intelligence. And listen, this isn't just some new software. It's becoming a genuine teammate in the workplace.
And look, this isn't some far-off futuristic idea. AI is shaking up huge industries right now. Just think about automobile engineering or product design. These are fields that are all about precision, right? Well, AI is already in there, completely rewriting the playbook.
So we've got to change how we think about AI. The fear is that it's here to replace us, but that's not the real story. It's here to make us better. It's an amplifier for our own abilities. It takes what we're good at, our creativity, our problem solving, and just cranks it up to 11. So if there's one thing to remember, it's this formula right here. It's your practical, hands-on skills plus the power of AI. That equals a whole new level of efficiency. And this isn't just like a nice to have. This is the essential combo for anyone who wants to succeed in the coming years.
Okay, so that's the formula, but how do you actually do it? How do you put that into practice? Well, let's take a look at one approach that's trying to make this whole concept a reality. It's called the MRDI method. So what this approach does is it takes these core, heavy-duty skills, we're talking automobile engineering, prototyping, workshop ops, and mashes them up directly with these new, powerful tools. But here's the secret sauce. AI is baked into the whole process right from the very beginning. So you're using it for design and also for diagnostics, like predicting when a part might fail before it even happens. Now that's a game changer.
Seriously, just picture this for a second. You're working on a super complex vehicle, or maybe designing a brand new prototype, but you're not on your own. You've got an AI guide right there with you, walking you through it step by step. And this isn't science fiction anymore. This is what a really modern, smart learning environment actually looks like.
So the way it works is basically a 4-step process. First, you get really good with the advanced tools. Then you immediately start using them to build real stuff, actual prototypes. The third step is where the magic happens. You start innovating, but you're using AI as your creative partner. And finally, you take all of that and learn how to apply it to the real world, so that you are 100% ready for a job from day one.
At the end of the day, learning about all this stuff, it's not just about watching trends from the sidelines. It's about seeing this as a massive opportunity for you to literally upgrade your own future.
Because let's be real, the pace of change, it's not slowing down. New tech, new industries, new problems to solve, it's all coming at us. And the simple truth is, the world is not going to wait for us to catch up.
And if the world isn't waiting, well then, neither should you. Being proactive about learning, about adapting your skills, that's not just a good idea anymore. It's essential. It's not optional.
So really, it all boils down to this one simple question. Now that you see what's happening, now that you know what it takes to succeed, are you ready to level up? Because if the answer is yes, then the path forward is clear. It's about combining those hands-on skills with the incredible power of AI. An institution that's really built around this whole idea is MRDI. Their goal is to empower people for this brand new world of work. And hey, their admissions are open now, so it's one way you can start getting yourself future ready.